Welcome to HODL Tutorials, how to auto-compound using HODLX Token and HODL Hands NFTs. You will need HODLX Tokens and HODL Hands NFTs to stake and BNB BEP20 tokens for gas fees. To find your NFTs in your wallet, find and choose the NFT tab. Then select the network your NFT is on. HODL Hands are on the Binance Smart Chain. If you don't have any HODLX tokens or HODL Hands NFTs to stake, I will show you how to purchase them in this video. Select dApps and type HODLX.exchange into your dApp browser address bar. Make sure to set your dApp browser to the Binance Smart Chain network and select Go. We need to connect our wallet. I am using the SafePal app. Select Special. Find the pool that you wish to enable. Select Enable HODLX. Select your gas fee level and then select Confirm. You will be automatically prompted to enable HODL Hands NFTs. If you have problems enabling the smart contracts, do not worry. You can select Enable NFT to continue the staking process. Now that both smart contracts are enabled, you can choose Stake HODLX plus 1 NFT. If you need to buy HODLX tokens or HODL Hands NFTs, then choose the options below. Otherwise, we shall continue with the staking process. My HODL Hand NFT is already available in my wallet and will be auto-staked with the amount of HODLX tokens I choose. Select Confirmed. Select your gas fee amount. Congratulations! You have successfully staked your HODLX tokens and HODL Hands NFTs. Thank you for considering purchasing HODLX tokens and HODL Hands NFTs, and thank you for watching this tutorial.